We now move to the definition of analytics. The first bullet says analytics is the act of collecting, organizing, and examining large volume of data with the aim of discovering useful insight, suggesting conclusion, and supporting decision making. So from our previous discussion, this would have been clear. We want to get the insight, we want to derive the value for the organization. It enables organization to use all these type of data, the structured and unstructured, to make informed decision. Not that you will be using the data you are generating from annual reports and you leave the one from the social media. One of the major challenges of executive is how to turn overwhelmingly amount of data into real insight. We've seen somewhere that most managers have issue now in making use of the big data. There is key gap between what business needs and what job seeker and those who want to advance their career possess. So there is need to fill in the gap. New jobs are being created that demand new set of skills in the area of analytics. The need to use data and apply analytics are not just for data and analytics position. There are other related areas that require it. So far you need to make decision. Business intelligence, we have those from the science or the data architecture, the artificial intelligence. So they are becoming key skill for many and perhaps all types of jobs and position. So who need analytics? We said new roles such as data scientists, chief data officers position are being created in many organizations. About 60% of data analytics recruiters find it difficult to get people with necessary qualification. These skills can serve as important differentiator at any stage of our career. Make use of relevance in a rapid changing world. So you can, it's either you want to do more in your career or you want to diversify. You may be doing you may continue your career where you do this one on part-time until it becomes bigger, that you are making more money than what you are getting from your career. So when used properly, data analysis can change how organization operates, allow them to become more efficient and have greater impact. If you search the internet, how some big organizations have used analytics or benefit from analytics, you may hear something like they invested so amounts and were able to save, maybe multiply by times 10 or times 100 of it within so period. Using data analysis is not limited to only high-tech industry, it's for all organizations. So high-tech industry may be providing the service. Whatever sector you operate in either finance, healthcare, retail, or just about whatever, data analysis can and will play a critical role. If the role is not much today, it will become serious over time. For example, we can use analytics to discover pattern in large number of service requests for a large bank, discover which brand are more similar based on social media platform and follower on each, gain insights into an annuity policy holder behavior based upon terabyte of customer data. The growth of analytics is partly driven by technological advancement. There are three major implications of technological advancement. Customers are changing the way they choose products and services. They check a lot of information on the internet before they make their decision. So we need to provide and we need to use those information to predict their behavior and know how to position ourselves. Competitors are faster and nimbler than ever before. So your competitor are also using it. So we need to study the competitor and try to be ahead. Supply chain are more complex and diverse now. Online sales of products is increasing. An organization need better online marketing and access to optimal distribution channel. At the same time, customers increasingly rely on information from social media. So organizations need to be aware of changing customer behavior and perception. Information that lead to their decision. So we need to understand how they reason. There are three key factors increasing the relevance and importance of data analytics. The amount of data generated has exploded because of technological advancement. We'll discuss that under data management. There are many new types of data available that cover a wide range of activities, video, photo, as discussed before. The price point for infrastructure and tools needed to capture and analyze this data has dramatically reduced. making data collection and analysis more economical for the organization. So since it is cheaper to get the data now, the problem is what can you make out of the data. What has fundamentally changed are three critical things: having the right people, the right tools, and the right algorithm in place to take advantage of the massive amount of data that organizations have. So the people are the experts in the data analytics, business analytics. They will be able to help you to select the appropriate tool or edit the one, and they will be able to create the right algorithm that you need to get what you want. Thank you.